Live TV. Welcome back, everybody. We have Heather Leverage with the Conservatory of the Ozarks, and Amber Serrano Call, a performer with the Conservatory of the Ozarks. Ladies, so great to see you.
Thank you.
Do you want to just remind our viewers exactly what you do with Conservatory of the Ozarks?
Well, Conservatory of the Ozarks is my piano and voice studio where I teach lessons. I mostly teach adult students, and they are what musicians would call community students, which means they're not music majors typically, they're not usually professional, but sometimes, I don't offer like a degree or anything like that, but sometimes I'm helping people prepare to become professionals or to go to school for music. And we do recitals that are free for the community to attend, and Amber is singing a solo in the recital we have coming up on Sunday, movie night recital.
Ooh. Okay, all right, well, Amber, we are gonna get to actually interviewing you and talking to you, but let's get to the song first. Okay. What will you be performing today?
I will be singing Never Enough from the movie The Greatest Showman.
Okay. Do you want me to try and put this on?
Okay.
Sorry,
Sure.
live TV, everyone. This is how it goes. Sorry.
That's okay.
All right, perfect. We're going to let you take it away, Amber.
Okay.
Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream and me getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand. Will you share this with me? Darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough. Be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never enough, never enough for me. For me, for me. All the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never, never, never enough, never, never, never enough for me, for me, for me.
Woo! Amber, that song is no joke.
Picked an easy song to sing.
Such an easy song.
Beautiful.
Yes, I'm curious. How long have you been with the conservatory?
Oh, I'd say about maybe 2 years?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Something like that, yeah. Yeah.
2 years?
Yeah.
Okay, and so then you mentioned the recital this Sunday.
Yes.
What's the best way for our viewers to attend? Do they need to buy tickets ahead of time? Where is it at? What time does it start?
It's going to be at Clara Thompson Hall at Drury University. We don't have tickets or anything. We'll have a donation bucket to help pay for the expenses, but you can just come for free if you want to. You don't have to pay anything.
Yeah.
That auditorium seats so many people.
Yeah,
so we'll
it's a
be
good
fine on
auditorium.
space. Yeah, it's a great stage. And we're even going to have singing and dancing on the stage this time, like kind of show choir style. And people are welcome to bring their favorite movie night snacks for our movie night treats after the recital is over. So
I love that. Now, are you accepting new students? I know that last time we talked, you were like really busy.
yeah, so I have a group class for voice and a group class for artist development Wednesdays and Thursdays from 6 to 7 p.m. Those have openings, and I will have some openings in the fall, but they're kind of at a hard time for people at 1 o'clock on a Friday or Tuesday or Thursday. So. Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Well, that's this Sunday. Again, what time does it start at Drury?
At 5 at Clara Thompson Hall.
Perfect.
It's going to be mixed age, so we're going to have a few kids in it too. So it'll be fun.
Very nice. Very nice. Good work.
Thank you
Yes,
so much.
Good work.
Thank you so much.
All right, join us now for our third hour on Color 10 and CBS.
That's happening.
Switch over, like right now.
5,
Maybe.
4, 3, go.
Click.
Now we'll see you there.